Follow your own path to fitness with the JRNY Adaptive Fitness membership. Whether you're just starting out on your fitness journey or in search of something new, you'll have hundreds of workout options to explore, custom workouts each day, and the motivation you need to keep moving. Start a fitness journey you'll never want to end. Exercise isn't one size fits all. That's why we designed the JRNY Adaptive Fitness app. With each use, JRNY learns more about you. Workouts selected just for you that adapt and advance your fitness. Choose the length. Choose the difficulty. Choose what's best for you. And watch your workout recalibrate automatically. With JRNY, stream your favorite entertainment and add your favorite music to your workout. There's a station to match your every mood and workout mode, all while following your workout program. Want to do an adaptive workout and watch your favorite show? Sure, you can do both at the same time. Check out Explore the World. JRNY has more than 200 Explore the World routes. Ride or run in dream destinations around the world, turning your workout into an adventure. You can even combine an adaptive program with your favorite route. Go at your own pace while enjoying the scenery. Experience something new with your JRNY membership. Take on-demand classes from world-class trainers who know how to get the best from you. There's an on-demand class for every fitness level.
Is it a jog? Is it a walk? That's up to you. Just make sure you are suitably challenged.
Explore hundreds of on-demand classes to fit your mood. Run, bike, climb, lift, stretch. JRNY has trainers and workouts for almost every at-home fitness product.
Let's cool down together. It's well-deserved after working hard today, so well done you.
Supplement your workouts with on-demand, full-body classes. Sort classes by difficulty level, activity and time. JRNY has short classes that are 10 minutes and under, and long ones that will keep you sweating for 45 minutes or more. JRNY gets to know you. With every workout, JRNY keeps track of your major milestones and your day-to-day metrics, and then provides personalized workouts adapted to you and your unique fitness level. JRNY also encourages you and cheers you on. The virtual coach tells you when to slow down or when to speed up. All-in-one tracking puts everything in one easy place, clearly showcasing the stats and important information from your workout. View your end-of-workout metrics and view your past workouts. Feel accomplished, challenged, stronger, healthier, entertained. Feel awesome with your JRNY membership.